This is sweet. Next up, we're getting some Costa Rican sweets.
Nutmeg, allspice, clove.
That sounds good.
So, first of all, we like to have a sample.
Oh, sample. Oh, sample. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, really, really.
So these are the spices that are in it. It's pretty good. Don't let it roll off the table. And this is our second. So we got two things to try. One is very sweet, and then one is a mixture of spicy. All right, so we finally reached the part to try the. Oh my. Oh wow. It kind of have an American pie taste to it. No. What's the thing you guys drink in?
Yeah.
Eggnog. It is shaved ice mixed with powdered milk and condensed milk. This is sweet. This is sweet. This is really sweet. That's good. So this is the name of the restaurant, and I will say they are extremely friendly, really good, very informative. 10 out of 10 would recommend in San Jose Market.